Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Volvo 240 Drift Wagon, and this is by Hotwheels. I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. And so one news I just wanted to share it with you guys. I know you guys might know this right now by the time this video comes out. So since there is this GST cuts coming in, and we will be getting Hot Wheels for 167 rupees. So which is a bit welcomed. Compared to the previous price, it is still a bit more because previous price was 149. I know, around 2023 I'm talking about. So still it is more, but less compared to what the price we are getting right now. So okay, with that said, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I personally wanted to see the Easter egg they kept it, in this particular car. Let's, and it does look really nice overall. I'm a bit curious. Okay, let me show you the card art first. Here is the card art. I really wish they shown the entire car instead of cutting some of the parts out. That would look much more cooler. Specifically if you are customizing it and if you want to keep that card in the back, that would be a more beautiful thing actually. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really gorgeous. I mean, so it is it's a glossy silver actually, and it has a little bit of paint issue here, but it is nothing like something which you are actually supposed to be concerned about. The hood details are really nice. Okay, the best thing on this one as of now is the acrylic headlights here. The logo placement is really nice. The grill details are embossed. So you can see the exhaust here, that is also really nice. Okay, it's one side exhaust, fine. And another beautiful thing, this is like this panoramic sunroof kind of thing they are having here, and they went with this clear windshield and mirrors and everything. That is really great. It has rear view mirrors as well, and you can see the interior, it's all chromed out and it looks really beautiful. Okay, let's get to this point now. Okay, so here you can see two puppies. This is what I was talking about when I said the Easter egg. So you can see two dogs here, two puppies here, which is looking out. This is really cute and it looks really beautiful. Especially it actually suits this casting really well because it's a wagon. It has more room actually. And another beautiful thing is it has tail light details as well. It has a number plate. It says Swedish. Okay, so overall the casting actually nailed everything. The interior detail, the exterior detailing, the livery, everything looks really awesome on this one. I originally thought of not buying this one, but since but it looked something different for me compared to the previous version they did, so I actually bought it. So it's really good that I bought it. Okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has a little bit of detailing to it, and that's fine. That's really great. And what else I'm missing out? I think we covered everything for now. Let's weigh this casting now. 30 grams or 32 grams. Let's see. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys, if you guys are hearing it. Okay, why it is showing in minus? Okay, got it. Okay, 35 grams. That's really great. Okay, let's roll this casting. Okay, that does roll really well. Try to. It has a wheel wobble on both wheels, but again, that is negligible considering this actually reaches the end of the track. Okay, let's rate this casting now. See, personally I would easily give 10 out of 10 for this casting because they nailed all the details here. Headlight, acrylic headlights, painted tail lights. It has cool Easter egg inside, that actually adds more character to this particular car. And chromed out interior, even though I'm not a big fan of chromed out interiors, but this particular one suits really this casting really well. So it has all the details as well, all side details, everything is perfect. So in case if you guys are thinking about getting this casting, please go ahead and get it. So that is my personal recommendation. If you if any of my friends are asking if they would go for this one, I would say yes. So, because I already told you all the reasons why it is good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.